Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing Binance account on your mobile device. If you want to log into your existing Binance account in just a few simple steps, then follow through the instructions. First, download and open up the Binance application on your smartphone. Once you get to the home page, go to the top of the screen and tap on Sign Up/Login. Now in the Login or the Sign Up area, if you already have an existing account, tap on Login at the bottom and then enter your email or your phone number without the country code in the text box at the top. If you've previously logged in to your Binance account with Google or Apple, you can choose one of these options at the bottom as well. I'm gonna just type in my email. After doing so, click on Next. On the next page, type down your password for your Binance account in the text box. If you don't remember the password, tap on Forgot Password to reset to a new one. If you remember your password, you can type it down in the text box and click Next. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Binance account immediately. Remember that keeping your account's credential is crucial. Always use strong password and make sure that you've also enabled two-factor authentication so that you can add an extra layer of security to your Binance account. Thanks for watching, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.